As a freelancer, building your online presence is crucial to attracting clients and growing your business. And Google Business Profile is a tool that can help you do just that. While often associated with traditional businesses, freelancers can also benefit from having a professional profile that showcases their skills, services, and contact information. In this video, we'll explore how freelancers can use Google Business Profile effectively in 2025 to gain visibility, credibility, and new clients. The first step is to create and verify your profile. Use your full name or your freelance business name and make sure all your contact information is accurate. Include your email, phone number, and website or portfolio link. Even if you don't have a physical office, you can set your service area so clients know which locations or regions you serve. Verification ensures you have full control over your profile and that it appears legitimately in search results. Next, focus on describing your services clearly. Highlight what makes you unique and the types of freelance work you specialize in. Include relevant keywords that potential clients might use when searching for your services. A detailed keyword-rich description helps Google understand what you offer and improves your chances of appearing in relevant searches. Add visuals to showcase your work. Upload high-quality images of completed projects, samples of your work, or behind-the-scenes photos of your process. If applicable, short videos can be even more engaging and give clients a better sense of your skills. A visually appealing profile increases credibility and makes potential clients more likely to reach out. Managing client reviews and testimonials is another powerful way to boost your freelance profile. Encourage satisfied clients to leave honest reviews and respond professionally to any feedback. Positive reviews increase trust and can significantly influence a potential client's decision to hire you. Responding thoughtfully to feedback also demonstrates professionalism and strong client communication skills. Leverage posts and updates to promote your services, share achievements, or announce new offerings. Regular updates keep your profile active and signal to clients that you are engaged and available. Additionally, use the Q&A section to answer common client questions about your services, rates, or process. This proactive communication helps build trust and makes it easier for potential clients to work with you. Finally, monitor your insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides data on how clients find you, what actions they take, and which aspects of your profile are most engaging. This information allows you to optimize your profile, focus on what works best, and improve your visibility to attract more clients. By following these strategies, creating a complete profile, highlighting services, adding visuals, managing reviews, posting updates, and tracking insights, freelancers can use Google Business Profile to grow their client base, build credibility, and stand out in a competitive market. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more freelance tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start optimizing your Google Business Profile today and take your freelance business to the next level.